Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform yourself from this to this. It is a very quick and easy tutorial and I really do hope that you guys are going to enjoy it. So to begin with, you're going to start off on freshly washed hair and you're going to do a deep side part right from the front all the way to the nape of your scalp. It's about the third of your head from ear to ear, so to speak. And after you're done doing that, you're going to go in with your Iso Plus Edge Control Gel or the Edge Control Gel that you prefer. I'm just going to apply that to the perimeters of my parting, and then I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down diagonally. And I'm going to twist each section, and this is just to make sure that my hair is well sleeked down without any tension. This edge control really goes the distance, so that's why it gets a huge thumbs up from me. I'm sure you guys have seen it enough times on my channel for you guys to know this. I really love how it works on my 4C texture. So you're going to continue doing that, whereby you're going to be sectioning your deep side part into 4 equal squares or triangles if you wanted to have a particular style. And then I'm going to be twisting each and every one of those sections. I'm not going to go in with Kanekalone hair. You can go in with whatever Kanekalone hair you like. I went in with my darling super soft braid, which I feathered at the ends. You're not going to use your crochet needle, and you are going to insert your crochet needle through that section, and then you're going to go ahead and pick your Kanekalone hair and pull it through. You're now going to be using your Kanekalone hair almost to African thread with it, the same technique that you use when you are doing faux locks. So what you do is you're going to be taking your Kanekalone hair, one side of your Kanekalone hair, you hold it together with your own twisted natural hair, and then you use this other strands from the same section, and then you're going to just wrap them around your twisted hair. So we're going to do this again. You're going to go in with your crochet needle. You're going to pull your Kanekalone hair through the right in the center, and then you're going to start wrapping your Kanekalone hair around your twisted hair. This gives you an African threaded faux locked style. It's going to be sleek. If you have 3C hair, you can maybe, or 3 type hair, you can just maybe try to twist your own hair. The problem with my hair type is I felt like it would still like show frizz and all of that, which is why I decided to go in with my Kanekalone hair. And now I'm going to go in and part my hair, one section from the ear all the way down to the center, and then I'm going to go on at the edge of that other section, and I'm going to again section it across to where my African threaded hair is. This is going to give me 3 equal diagonal sections to work with that I'm going to now gel down and sleek down for me to get my final faux hook style. I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to apply it and use it to sleek my natural 4C hair down. I'm going to be combing through the Eco Styler gel just to ensure that my hair is coated properly. It makes it so much easier to sleek 4C hair. I know some of you guys really struggle with sleeking down your hair. I think you really need to work in your gels and your product and realize that your hair is a way more what can I call it? It takes time to take in product, so you need to work it through with a brush or a comb, and then you need to really keep going in, apply more product to your fingertips, seek it down, and then tie it down and allow it to dry. If you want to go for heat-free styling, I would suggest you do exactly what I did, which is to tie it down and then leave it on for a couple of hours. You're looking at about 2-3 hours, or sometimes even more, for your hair to be properly dry. However, you can use a diffuser. I'm now going to go in with my darling Diva curl, and oh you guys, I am obsessed with the curls on this hair. They're just so bouncy, they're flirtatious, they're freaking sexy, if dare I say so. And this is the one that has almost like a white, like a very platinum blonde at the ends. I think that is the one thing that I love about it the most. It starts almost ombre-ish and then goes into the platinum blonde, and it's just, it's gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to just start wrapping my my wefts around each ponytail. And what you're going to do is, I took these wefts, I took more than one weft, so I took about 3 or 4, and you wrap them around 4 at a time. This gives you way more volume. It makes the process easier, shorter, as opposed to trying to wrap like this long weft around your ponytails. So you're going to just, depending on how much volume you want, you're going to just keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. And if you want to fasten as you go, depending on how tight it's feeling on you, you can go ahead and add bobby pins as you go, like I was doing right there in the front, because I was planning to put more hair. So just fastening as you go, make sure that all your wefts are really tied down and you're not going to start seeing them somewhere along the way. So you need your bobby pins. If you are going to be keeping this hair for a very long time, then I suggest going in with a needle and thread, and instead of using bobby pins, you kind of just sew it down. I just prefer bobby pins because they work for me when I go to bed. They don't come off, they don't hurt. It's just my preferred method. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking bobby pins and I'm just going to play around with my curly hair with my Diva curl. I'm going to be putting it in between those ponytails just to cover those spaces, and also to make sure that it really has that hawk style at the back there. So play around with it, move the hair from back to from front to back, add bobby pins, and just like that you have your side faux hawk. I absolutely loved this style. What I went ahead and I did is I added just like 2 accessories on the side, just to give it that extra oomph, like, you know, just that's something. But other than that, you guys, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy style, and I can't wait to see you guys rocking your own Diva curl styles.